So yes, you can make money online using the Google Translator. It's a completely free tool. By just translating simple ebooks, different documents, different pieces of text, different pages, whatever it may be, you can make money online using the Google Translator. So the best part about this, it's easy to do and it's completely free. Free! And the best part is it's worldwide. Anybody can access these websites, anybody can access the Google Translator, and this is probably going to be one of the most handy 10-minute training videos that you'll probably see on YouTube right now. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jay. I'm an online entrepreneur, drop servicer, and affiliate marketer from South Africa, and on this channel I'm super passionate in documenting my journey with you guys in building an online business, building my first six-figure business with the affiliate marketing program with Builderall. I'm documenting each and every step, the different strategies that I'm using on this channel, giving you direct insights into what I'm doing. So you can contact me on every single platform: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter. I'm posting everywhere. You can DM me on any platform and I'll try reply to every single person. So if you guys are interested in joining this journey with me, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But one thing that I want to show you guys that is pretty handy. So have a look at this. Different articles that you can actually get paid to translate. So I actually managed to find an example of a translation job that is paying $55. Such as this German article right here. It's like a page and a half of a document in German, or probably perhaps a story. You can translate this to English and get paid $55. So check this out. I'm going to come over to a platform called Latium.org, which is a freelance website that pays to anybody in the world because it actually pays in Bitcoin. Not PayPal, not those other ways that are limited to specific countries, which is the best part. So just a little bit about this, it's very similar to that of a platform like Fiverr, where you can post freelance gigs and that kind of thing, except it's not actually that saturated and not a lot of people actually know about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Browse Projects just to show you an example of other people doing this. And if you sign up and verify your account, you're going to get paid $1 in cryptocurrency. So what you can do is you can come up to this website right away, sign up, and you're going to get your $1. So once that's done, you can see my account has been created up here. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to head over to the Browse Projects tab so we can find different projects to show you some people that are actually earning from this. Then I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and hover over the More tab. I'm going to click on Translation and Languages so we can open up all these gigs. And you can see right here, these people are basically translating different text documents, in this guy specifically into Hindi and Urdu. This person is translating to Spanish, Hindi again, to Bengali, Spanish again, create demographic questions, proofread. So there's actually not a lot of gigs on this tab. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, I would say 15 gigs. So the competition of this page is really not hard at all. So I mean, if you go and do this now, you can rank on this page very quickly because there's literally only 15 gigs in this category. So what you can do is, just to show you an example, let's take this gig. If I click on it, he is charging $25 to $100 depending on the size of the document. So he just basically translates any kind of text for entrepreneurs or whatever it may be, and basically people will pay him $25 to $100 in Bitcoin, and this could be 1 to 2 page documents. So to also show you the amount of ways that you can get paid out on this website, have a look at this. If you come over to the Wallet tab on the wallet, you can see they're paying via USD, so that's PayPal, Stripe, all of those platforms, Bitcoin, and pretty much every single other cryptocurrency that is trending right now. So the amount of payment methods this website is offering is literally for anybody in the world. So this is worldwide. There's no excuse for anybody to not do this and say, is this accepted in my country? This is completely worldwide. So what you can then do is you can click over here, click on Post a Project. You can then choose hire a freelancer. So I'm just going to choose hire one freelancer. We're going to scroll down. We're going to choose translations and languages. We're going to click get started. Post title and say, I will translate any short story, document, or text into any language in the world. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the title, post it in the description. And then for the post category translation and languages, what skills are required? We're going to leave nothing. We don't need any skills. Select the cover. We can just do this one over here. We can choose the basic cover that comes with. the platform. After you've added your picture, you can scroll down and you've got to add these multiple sections. So you've got to give them instructions. So you can be like, send me your PDF, short story, or text for me to translate. I will translate and send back to you. Then what you can do is you can click on add another section, so you can put require a screenshot, a photo if you want to. Then you want to click on next and you want to just choose Bitcoin. I'm going to choose very small project, $5 to 25, because I would rather much get lots of small orders rather than a couple of big orders, simply because I just prefer business that way, getting lots more small orders than rather big orders, because that can add up and actually end up being a lot more revenue. Then you want to choose verified only. You can choose Bitcoin or US dollar. I'm going to choose US dollar for this one. You can choose Bitcoin, but because PayPal is accepted in my country, I can use the US dollar. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on next, and then we can click on save once we're done with that, and it will take a couple of seconds to post your project. So you can see over here is my project. I can then click on this and it will open up my project, and they can then place the order with me by putting in a bid. So if someone puts in $5, they can then pay me $5 to translate their scripts or whatever it is. But also to show you, if I come back over to browse projects, I come back over to translations and languages, you can see right here, here is my gig, ranked #1 on the translations and languages of this freelance website. So what you can do is you can then go and post this on a place like Conquer.io, which is another freelance website that is not extremely oversaturated. So you can go over to audio, or there should be just got translation in the search bar, and you will find a whole bunch of translation gigs here. You can see, go post on Upworks, Fiverr.com, and the best way to go about this is you want to get external traffic to your gig. So if you want to rank on any of these platforms, go promote on social media, give like a free plan or something like a transcription plan of a document you want to promote on your friends to WhatsApp, and you want to get people to review your gig. Leave a comment, leave a 5-star review, because the algorithm likes that. So if you want to rank on the #1 page of Fiverr, for example, get people from external sources to leave a review, leave 5 stars. The algorithm will favor this so much that it will reward you by ranking you up so much. And as soon as you hit the big #1 page, you're going to get thousands and thousands and thousands of views on a daily basis, which could be hundreds of orders a day. Tens to hundreds of orders a day, which could be $500 plus per day. So that is the potential with something like this, which is an awesome model. So what you can do is, let's say somebody places the order on your gig. You can go over, let's say they send you a document like this. You can literally copy this entire thing, just like this. Right click, copy. You can come over to Google Translator like this, paste the entire thing, or you're going to have to do it in sections. So do paragraph by paragraph, I suggest. So I'm going to take this whole paragraph, come over to Google Translate, paste this here, and you can literally copy this entire language. Somebody wants to translate from German to, let's say, Russian, you can just choose the language, and here it is for you, completely translated. Let's say someone wants to do from Bangladesh to Japanese, you can do that and copy this entire piece of text, and it's all done for you, which is really amazing. So that's what I love about this tool. You can do any language to any language and literally copy paste and submit these gigs on these different platforms to do this for you and really make a good income online. And it's completely free to do, and it's also, I've just given you a great way to scale at this as well. And guys, if you're serious about trying this out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave or give you this course on mastering Fiverr, ranking on Fiverr, mastering your gigs, not only on Fiverr, but all of these other platforms, and really building a good sustainable business for yourself using a tool like this. So what I want you to do is, if you want access to this course, I want you to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload something valuable just like this. Leave a like on this video, share it with anybody that you think wants to get started with making money online, and then leave a comment down below that you've done so with your favorite quotes or something like that, and I'll reply with the link to this course that you can go and watch it. It's a free course that's right here for you guys on the internet to watch and learn how to master Fiverr. So this is really packed with value if you're serious about freelancing with something like this. And then on top of this, I'm going to give you access to my free 0 to 10K affiliate marketing blueprint that I used with Builderall.com. So in this video right here, it's a 20-minute free training explaining the exact step-by-step blueprint. I went from $0 to $10,000 per month using the Builderall affiliate program. About $5,000 out of this $10,000 per month is completely passive, simply because this is a membership-based product, which is a very powerful concept, and I'm going to teach you guys everything that you need to know in this video. So what I'm going to do is I'll leave like a little card on the screen, one of those pop-ups that you can click on, so make sure to go click on that, and I will see you in this video. But don't forget to leave your comments, leave your likes, and subscribe so you can get your free course.